Okay. That's how much fuel we have left of the $518 we put in here. How did we gross $6,200? I'll show you. Stick around. Well, good morning. And what do? Do we go back to Jacksonville? Or do we go back towards the house? That's kind of cool. A little dual prop plane for FedEx. And a big boy plane for FedEx over there. I don't know, we're gonna get out to 26 and then it's 90 miles one way to another Jacksonville run, or it's 90 miles home, so. I don't know. Just feel like I should make some money, keep going. But I also wanna go home and see those kids. Decisions. Did a little shopping at old Walmart. Check out that. Those are rare. It's like the old Blazer for Dodge. I think it was called the Ram Charger. Not sure. Good looking one. Stocked up on supplies and got some more shoes. $10 for these things. They're so comfortable. Our drop, our pickup's at 3. Same place picked up last time. Hopefully they can get us early. We can get on the road. Well, the truck is all stocked up again. I even grabbed some sun block. Big boy plane. But I haven't eaten at Chipotle in a while, so I think I'm gonna go give it a whirl. I haven't been in a while. Had a bad stomach bug, I think, after eating it one time. Probably put me in a bad mindset, but I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm hungry. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. Let's go get some Chipotle. There's Panera, T-Dub's favorite. Chipotle's right next to it. Oh, the Chipotle. It does smell pretty good.
Did you say chicken burrito?
Yes, please. Oh man, $14, but I did add guacamole, so yikes. I'm gonna sit outside. A little bit of deja vu. Felt like I was just here Monday. That's because I was. I don't take the same load. I tried to get another couple hundred out of it. They gave me another 100, so we ran it for 1,400 last time. We're running it for 1,500 this time. 237 miles right back to Jacksonville. But this one has an earlier drop. The last one was an 8:30 drop. This is a 5 a.m. drop, so be able to get back up to Savannah even quicker. Hopefully get something back home, because I miss my babies and I miss my baby, Miss T-Dubs. Working hard though, got some stuff we just booked for vacations. I'd like to just pay for it out of this week's revenue, and not have any stuff on travel credit cards. T-Dubs has a Marriott card she uses for travel. It's plenty of little perks and stuff back from it. I don't see none of those perks, so I guess I kind of do because we're married, but whatever. All right, that guy's on that side. I want to leave this guy behind me some room, so I'm going to keep coming forward. Curb over here, right next to my horses that I hung out with on Monday. We'll just take a walk back there because it's gonna be a while. Go ahead, man. You can come up here. Let's see if the horses are still there. Oh yeah, they're still there. Still hanging out. Let's get in here. See if she remembers me, or if it's even the same girl. Bud Light cans, probably again. And if you don't know, this is a perfect time to tell you, we got our hands on a PS5 finally. So we will be having one to give away this time, unlike last time when we didn't have it in hand. So we have another one. And check the little link below. Boop, right down here. Click that little arrow looking thing. It'll bring down all the descriptions for, it's pretty easy entry. You just click the link. Share the YouTube video or like, subscribe, one of those actions, and you'll be entered to win it. No purchase necessary. Just please help us out to grow the channel, continue to do what we do, and give back to you. And someone's going to win an awesome PS5. And there's a second place winner this time also for a merchandise prize pack, duffel bag, hats, safety hats, shirts, blanket. What else we got? Tumbler, all kinds of stuff, masks. So check it out right there in the link, and I'm going to go get checked in. And if you want to help somebody out, here we go. I saw this on someone's door. I'm walking in. 843-224-7144. Living donor form. Help her out. Kidney needed. Serious stuff, T's and P's there. We got door 18 this time. Last time we were door 3 right here, but I guess we're going further down. And they say the doors are not numbered, but they're in groups of 6. I said, all right. So the last door of the 3rd group, I guess. Well, let's see how our counting skills go. More Bud Light cans coming up. So you stuck around and you're wondering, how did this guy gross $6,200 on $518 for fuel? I still have over a quarter tank left just to get to Jacksonville. I'll make it back up here on that same quarter tank. So could it be partly the Shell Rotella synthetic T6? Who knows? Maybe that's a little bit to do with it, but I think a lot of it to do with is the rates that are going on right now for really short loads. Start off in Anderson, South Carolina. That's where we filled up. Exit 21. And we got all the way back to Gaffney, back to Greenville. Duncan to Florence, right here to Jacksonville, back to Savannah, back to Columbia, Columbia to here, back to Jacksonville and back, $6,200. So let's look at that. AD, and he's thinking about jumping his own authority. He's already doing his own IRP. He's already got his own trailer, his own truck. He's like, hey man, I'm thinking of doing it. I'm like, hey man, you do it.
Yes sir, I'm gonna go for it, man.
Why give that 10% away to someone else? Yeah,
that's right.
There you go. He's got my number. I can talk to you soon, brother.
I appreciate it.
Take care, man. No worries. Yeah, that was cool talking with you, JD. Just talking a little bit about flatbed, a little about dry van, IFT, all that kind of stuff. He's doing everything already, so why not just make that whole percentage? Let's talk about these numbers that we're talking about in the title of this video. I spent $518 filling up in Anderson, South Carolina on the 7th. Where is it at? Somewhere around here. There it is, 7th. Okay. First load we got was that Kubota. It was like empty crates going to Gaffney and Greenville from right outside of Atlanta. So that was $1,100. Then the next load was $1,200 going to Florence with those Lowe's appliances. Then the next load was $1,400. This exact same load we're on right now. That was beer cans down to Jacksonville. Then we came out of Savannah for $1,000 going back to Columbia. And now we're on the load again. And that would be $1,500 this time. You add all those up, that's $2,600, and we still have over a quarter tank of fuel, guys. So let's seal this thing up, get $6,200 gross by Thursday, and see what Friday holds, right? Seals locked in. Say goodbye to our horse friends. I don't even know where they went. They took off on us. And let's get back to Jacksonville. Later on, JD. Roll easy, man. T's and P's. What is crazy is that yesterday when I came to this intersection, there was another little fender bender. That looks like a pretty bad wreck with the minivan up there. I don't know what the other car was involved, but T's and P's for that. Let's go on this Mac over here. Oh yeah, another truck is already smashed up too. T's and P's, be careful out there, people. And I saw another truck coming through here, otherwise I would not have attempted this. They are logging and clearing right here. It smells like fresh digging of dirt. Oh, Mr. Excavator. Always building out here, always building. Made it down to Jacksonville, but it is time for a shower. And look at those clouds. Gorgeous. Hung out with Barry last time. Well, what, Monday, so. If you see this, Barry, I'm not dodging you. I just want to get a quick shower, get to my drop, man. But if you do want to get some insurance, check out Barry Downey. About a couple videos ago, I had a live feed with him. And he's a great guy. I mean, he lives right here off exit 3. Go check this thing out. Always awesome when there's no wait. Shower number 1. Look at that. They even put the little shell up there for you. Some towels. Wear your flip-flops. And yeah. I've been on the road for a bit now, so normally I go home But I don't grab showers on the road that much because I get one day out, one day back. Let's get cleaned up. Thanks, Petro. Feel much better, like a new man. All cleaned up. Clouds are still beautiful, but not as beautiful as this truck. We're gonna go check this thing out. Put our bag back in the Volvo and check out that thing. We gotta go look at those lights and those wheels. It's a nice peak. That'll end it for today, guys. God bless you. Don't forget about the PS5 giveaway and the merchandise, first and second place. 5 keywords. I haven't dropped any of them yet. I'll let one out pretty soon. And check out JustTruckin.Shop. Grab a hat, grab a thermal, grab a sweatshirt, grab a blanket, grab whatever you need. Every $5 goes to winning that 97 Silverado with the LS1 that should be firing very soon. He's about a little over halfway done with the wiring, so we're getting close. Got some throttle cable connections and different stuff. But I'm gonna see how he did these lights and end it on this truck. God bless. See you tomorrow. It's pretty cool. Got the lights everywhere. So how did he do them in here? Oh, he's got them shining off of here. I see how he did it. That is pretty dang cool. LEDs everywhere. It's a pretty truck. He's got one of those 2002 Thunderbirds on there. Have a big front seal cover leak problem. Cool though. Looks really cool when it's rolling. Nice peak. Looks like we got some weather coming too, guys. T's and P's, God bless, and see you tomorrow.